Okay. Oh no, there's no editing of this. I didn't usually cut this all out. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, so today I am going to be doing putting too much ingredients into slime, putting too much of something into slime. But there is a little twist. There's no editing in this video, so that means there's not. So that means there's not going to be any cuts, which means there's going to be a lot of my nonsense in here. So yeah. Just a disclaimer. Okay, so yeah. Why now that there's no editing, I am spacing stuttering out. Okay, anyway, so basically there's gonna be no editing. I'm gonna do the same thing, except there's gonna be no editing, and I'm gonna try and not to mess up, even though I've been messing up like 5 times now, so yeah. And today's like much to me, you guys can comment down below if you like monkeys. That was really random. You guys can comment down below if I should make this a series or not, the no editing series. Like, you know, do some other things like a slime challenge, no editing, or like Instagram recipes, no editing, or Mr. Real Slime, no editing. Get it? Okay? And then press the like button. And let's get straight out into the video. Yo! Okay, so no editing. Alright, so first what we gotta do is we gotta get a bowl.
Oh no, Ameerah.
This is where we would edit.
Oh my god, no. Okay, Ameerah, go. Hurry, because you're making them wait. There's a trash can right there. Ameerah, you're gonna break it.
Alright. So first I'm gonna make a giant batch of white slime because I kind of feel like doing that type where, like, you know, you add it into the already made slime. So yeah, let's try to do that. My spider web fell. Where'd it go? Where'd the spider web go?
I don't know.
Okay. So first I gotta get some. Oh god, this is the gross one.
Oh my god.
Here, take that back, Paul.
Oh my.
Why is it not bad?
That's mine. It's the milky one.
Okay, we got GLUEO. It smells like mayonnaise. Did you put mayonnaise in this?
No. Promise.
Okay. And then I'm gonna get my regular glue. So we're gonna try. I'm sorry guys, Paul just did a prank on me and he like changed my ingredients and stuff, so anyways. So we're gonna try and just make a nice, cool slime base. So I like to put GLUEO. Half GLUEO. I can put more. It farted. And half regular school glue, so yeah.
That's a lot of slime, Ameerah. It's gonna take you forever to make. And remember, there's no cuts. That's a lot of slime.
Oh my god, what did I do? Okay, I need to get a fork, guys. Okay, so we mix that all together. I find that this makes it very glossy and very... What is that? What is in here? What? Is that a leaf? Alright, well I have no idea what the heck that is. So I'll just go ahead and throw it away because that's weird. What is all that stuff? I really need to start putting the caps on my glues, guys.
I think it's just glitter.
Is it? Probably. Oh yeah, it kind of looks like glitter. I don't know, but it's gross. I'm still gonna take it out. This is gonna be a really long video. Just to let you guys know. Okay. Let's continue. Alright, so next step is to add the activator. Got that in my eye. It's okay. I hope that's activator. Like, I really hope that's activator. It could possibly be water. Oh my god. Thank goodness it's activator. Alright, I'm gonna try and do this fast, guys, since there's no editing in this.
You want me to help you? I can help you so it goes quicker.
Well, I mean, it's a small bowl. I don't know if you can help me.
I'll try. I think you need more activator.
Yeah. I feel like this isn't a good idea.
Yeah, you made a lot of slime. I don't think you need to use all of this slime.
We do.
Oh, okay.
We do. Okay, you move for a second. Just gotta.
You put glue all, that's like super hard to activate.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I spaced out already.
Usually this is cut out.
So, oh my god, this is going everywhere. Why did I make this much? This is a catastrophe. Why did I do this? Usually I do this like very peacefully sometimes, and I like get my phone, put the office on, you know, watch TV while I make my slime. Looks pretty good. It's like nice and glossy, isn't it? I can't believe this is gonna be not edited at all, guys. I wonder if it's gonna be like so horrible to watch. You guys are probably like skipping through this right now.
It should be a challenge, watching through all of this.
Yeah. A little challenge for you guys. Try and watch through all of this random stuff. And yeah, try and see if you can watch all of it without skipping. That's a cool challenge. I'll try that. Wait, but I'm living through all of this without skipping.
I think you need more activator.
Nope, we're
Okay.
good.
Huh?
When did the scissors get there?
I don't know.
Like, when did they get there?
I'm trying to just get it off my hands now and it's hard.
Really? I'm good.
Yeah, I know. Right.
It's very nice, guys. Oh. I spaced out again. Sorry, guys. Whenever I get really quiet, that's when I space out, because I'm just like playing with the slime. I get really quiet and I just literally, I'm like that. That's it. Okay, we are almost done with the slime. I cannot believe we're not gonna have any editing in this. That's just crazy to me. Anyways, so let's just continue, you know? Usually around this part, I would like, oh no, when my hair's gone on the table. Anyways, at this part, usually I would probably like, you know, get the slime and then I would like scrape all of this off. with a spatula, so I guess you guys will see the behind the scenes of this stuff. Let's mix that in. Oh no. Was that me or was that you?
What?
You put glue on the camera. I think you put glue on the camera.
I did?
No, like right here.
Oh, that's okay. No, nice.
I thought I flicked it. Okay. How long do you guys think this video is gonna, well, I guess you guys don't have to guess how long it's gonna be, because you probably already know, but I wonder how long this video is gonna be.
Probably an hour and 30 minutes.
Probably. We need more activator. There we go.
I told you need more activator.
Yeah, that's because I added more glue and stuff into there. Almost done! Okay, Paul, I don't know if you're much help now.
Well, yeah.
You guys,
I'm just trying to get
all
it off
you
my
do
hands.
is get stuck to this slime. It's looking good. Looking good. Ow.
Sorry. Darn it. Okay.
Okay. Almost done. Okay, now you guys can just look at the ASMR for this. So beautiful. I actually really like this. So like, it's kind of fluffy. I like this base because it's kind of like glossy and thick at the same time, but like not too thick, you know, it's just like a nice slime base. Okay, so for the behind the scenes guys, usually I'll just like, yeah, that's good, okay. Put this back there. And then, once again, they fell. Okay. Okay. The spatula. And I'll scrape all this off because it is way too hard to get off. There we go. Ta-da! And then after I'll get a paper towel, which, oh, there it is. And then I'll dry the counter. And then we'll restart, make another mess, and I'll probably do it again. Alrighty. All done. Okay, so now we got this. Oh, whoa. That actually looks really cool in the bowl. I'm sorry, guys. It's probably like a pretty long video, but like, look at how nice that is. Okay. Alrighty, now we start the actual point of the video. Well, we already kind of did, but anyways, let's go ahead and start. So, first I do this. Get a piece of slime. And I need to wash my hands because that is very cringy. There we go. Alrighty. Now let me just go ahead and get some food coloring because I forgot it. There we go. Got food coloring. Okay, let's put blue. And first, which one should be? Oh. I'll change all my stuff, guys, so this is red. Anyways, stop laughing. Okay, anyways, so I'm so out of breath. Anyways, can you be quiet? Guys, can you comment how many times I'm gonna say anyways in this video? Okay, anyways, so first what I'm gonna do is this lotion, and I already did lotion, but I decided to, hey.
Oh, sorry.
There you go. Okay, I already did lotion, but I decided to do this lotion. This one is actually from the dollar store, so I wanted to try it out. So, I like this lotion usually just for like glossiness and slime. So, usually I'll put like that much for this amount of slime, but now I'm gonna put this much. Yeah, that's enough. Alright, that actually looks really cool with like the food coloring. Is it gonna become really glossy? Is it gonna become really jiggly? Who knows? We'll know after I do this. So we mix it Ooh, that's actually melting really cool. Like it's like super soft. The last time I did this, the slime turned into like a really soft, glossy slime, and I actually really like it. I still have it. It's very, very nice. So this is really melting. Okay, I'm starting to catch my breath. I was trying to run everywhere, guys, so that it's not so long, because this is gonna be a long video. Alrighty, well that's what happened. It literally just completely melted, guys. Yeah. Alrighty, but it feels cool and it actually smells really good. It smells like cocoa butter. So we're gonna go ahead and activate it. And I have no more activator in my squirt bottle, so this is when I would stop and like refill it and then keep going, but I guess I'm just gonna do it from the gallon. This is why I don't do it from the gallon. Okay, let's go ahead and activate that again. This kind of looks like pink milk. Like, this would be cool as like strawberry pudding or something, because like now it's jiggly. This is crazy. We haven't cut a single time. That is just so crazy to me.
Yeah, maybe you want to guess how many minutes it's been?
Sure.
Okay, I'm just...
15?
16 and 30 seconds. You were pretty close.
Okay. Oh my god, are we really gonna post a 15-minute, probably like 30-minute video? Are we gonna do that, guys? Are we really gonna do this? Are we really gonna do this? Because it's probably gonna be like 30 minutes. I'm trying so hard to like hurry and I am like out of breath and everything. I have a mess everywhere. And it's already 16 minutes. All right, here it is, guys. Trying to clean that off. All right, anyways, here it is. Here's what happened. Yes. So it basically, it kind of like stayed the same. Like it's not even like jiggly, honestly, because like jiggly has more of a thin texture. This one has like a thicker texture, and I think it's because it's like jiggly because of lotion.
Can I touch it?
Sure. It's not sticky, I don't think.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, it's pretty weird. It's got a very weird texture. Alrighty, well I guess that is it for that one. What are you doing? Are you a spider?
No.
Alrighty, well I guess that is it for this one. Now we gotta go ahead and clean up again because I made a mess. Just scrape that all. Is that like satisfying? I feel like that's kind of satisfying. Like, look at. Oh no, it's kind of satisfying to me. There we go. We just. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know where that was going. I guess I'll just like do it over here. You got no time. No time. Too much time. Too much. Too much. Okay. Oh my god. I don't know if I want to do this as a series, guys. This is just too much. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Next one! Okay, so we gotta get another chunk of slime. Yas. This is some nice slime. I'm sorry. Like, look at that. Yas.
Why are you sorry?
Because. I don't know.
It's really nice.
It is really nice. Okay, let's keep going. Next thing we're gonna do is paint. So, yeah, I already did one like this, but I did it without. I didn't make the slime first, so we're gonna try that out. See what happens. All right, so I have the purple paint here, acrylic. So usually I'll put like probably half that much or this much, but now we're gonna put this much. That's a lot of paint. Usually, actually, what happens, guys, is paint kind of makes the slime a bit glossy. So, yeah, pretty cool. Oh no! I hope this doesn't make too much of a mess, because now I need it. Oh my god! Oh my god! What do I do? I can't. No!
Just mix it quick.
You do it.
No.
You mix it.
That's okay.
Well.
Okay, fine. I'll mix it.
It's totally me mixing it, guys. I'm mixing it. I'm definitely mixing it. So yeah, there it is. Oh, I ruined my nails. Alrighty. See? It's me mixing it. Do you guys see his hand? I barely mixed it for a little bit and his is barely like that. Are you kidding me? Whatever. I don't care. So here's how it turned out. Didn't really turn out bad.
Should put more.
It kind of just became dry. Yeah, I don't know if I want to put more. Paul. Oh whoa, that looked really cool because like it's so solid, like a solid color. Like usually food coloring's kind of like thin, but this is like a solid color. Let me try that again. This is actually cleaning up pretty well. Just squish that on. I was just doing ASMR over there while I'm like trying to clean the counter. Little fun fact, guys. We actually sometimes when we clean the counter use slime as a sponge. We literally do. Like we get a slime. Usually like it's like a hard slime, and we just like go like that. It actually works pretty well. There you go. Ta-da! That's what happened. Basically, it just kind of got like drier, but that's it. What about you, Paul?
Yeah. Same thing.
Okay.
I'm gonna put more in mine.
Oh my god.
Yeah. You can keep going.
Okay. Wow. While Paul makes a mess on that side of the table, he's literally making a mess. I'm gonna go on to the next round. Alright, so the next round is gonna be, I don't know. What should it be? I don't know. Oh, shaving cream. I know we did shaving cream, but I don't think I've done this shaving cream where I like put it on the slime directly, so I want to do that, which I forgot. Once again. Okay. Gotta shake it first.
It's actually getting soft.
Anyways. Yeah, it melts, I think.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so I'll make this one yellow. So first I'm gonna put the shaving cream. So usually I put like this much shaving cream for slime like that. Yeah, I know, I put a lot. You know? But now we're gonna put this much. Okay, this is taking a while. I cannot believe we're doing no cuts, guys. Like it's gonna be such a long video, guys. Like that's just crazy to me. Alrighty, now we're gonna go ahead and get some food coloring and completely dirty it. I love how food coloring looks on top of shaving cream. Like, doesn't it look so cool? Yeah. You know, actually, I'm gonna. There we go. And I decided I'm gonna put a bunch of different colors. I'm gonna put blue.
Oh, you actually put blue this time?
Mm-hmm. And green. I don't know, I kind of like how it looks. Yes. Doesn't that look cool?
Yeah, it looks like an ice cream.
That's a weird ice cream. I guess like funfetti ice cream. This actually looks so cool. This is my favorite. I love mixing ice cream. I love mixing shaving cream into slime. Ice cream. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I like tattooed my. Oh wait, no, I didn't. Okay, anyways, let's continue. This is turning out very weird because like there's barely any slime in here, so it's just becoming like a really big shaving cream blob. I was gonna say slime blob. It's already a slime blob. Just mix that up. Yes. This is taking forever.
You want some help? Look, I'm all done with mine.
Yours became like really glossy.
That's what happens when you put more of this than slime.
Paint?
Yeah, paint. I can't find the word.
Paint.
But there's not much difference.
There is. It's the glossier.
Okay, so this is the difference.
That's the difference between too much and way too much.
Okay, I'll help you now.
Okay. So this one is barely even slime anymore, guys. It is just like a shaving cream blob now. So you could just put this on your face, Paul.
Oh, okay.
Do you guys see that? Look at, watch. Like when you just like squish it, it just like disintegrates. Like, okay.
So cool.
It's kind of, it reminds me of like a spider web. Like, look at that. Ooh. 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 That kind of just, that looks bad. That's not a spider web. All right. I'm trying to make this slime better, guys, because it's like I can't, if you touch it, you just get shaving cream on you, and it, well, you know. I don't know if you guys know, but I know. Paul knows.
I know.
Okay, here, look it, guys. I just cleaned my hands, kind of. I'm gonna touch. What the heck? See? How long is this video, Paul?
Well, I guess.
Okay, if you guys haven't seen, like, if you're just like, you know, watching this, you haven't seen how long it is, wonder how long you are into the video, okay? So 3, 2, 1, I think 24 minutes.
28 minutes.
Oh, did you guys get it right? Okay, I think we're finally kind of done with this.
This is actually a super cool slime.
Really?
Yeah, I like to squish it.
I mean, I guess, kind of. I wonder what kind of, like, iceberg this would make. Speaking of which, I actually have an iceberg. Yeah, I think I'll bring it. Okay, you can continue watching Paul play with the slime.
I like this slime.
This is actually from my last adding too much ingredients, actually, so that's pretty cool. This is the pink slime, and this is like clear glue, so let's do this. I'm excited. Oh my god, my hands are so cringy. I'm so sorry, guys. Whoa, that is actually super nice. Oh my god.
What the heck?
I don't know what that is. Don't look at it. It's so bubbly. Do you guys see how much bubbles there is in it? It's just bubbles.
That's crazy. I had to touch it Ameerah. It feels fantastic.
I'm sorry, guys. I haven't talked in a while, and I'm just so surprised at this. And I just realized I've been so quiet. I'm gonna take this part out. That's like dry. Alrighty, well that's what it turned into.
It's been stopped. Okay, it stopped by itself.
Okay.
Well, yeah, it's recording.
Oh, it's recording?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, the camera stopped for some reason. I think because like the video was too long. Anyways, so a little fun fact, as I was saying, you can make pigment slime without pigment by just putting like clear glue and shaving cream, and that's it. And then you like leave it for like a week and like let all the bubbles go away, and it actually turns kind of like into pigment. Like not perfect pigment, but it like looks like it like very well. Like I don't know if you guys can see, but this one kind of is pigment.
I can see it.
Because there's still like bubbles in it, but like yeah, you can kind of see it. Ooh, it actually turned into a really nice texture. Wait, I want to try and make a bubble. Yeah, I'm gonna try and make a bubble. Wait. It's a tongue. Okay, is that the last thing? I don't know. Is it? It's the last thing, right? Alright, well I guess that's the end of today's video. It's very long, so I guess goodbye now. I love you guys a lot. Make sure you guys comment down below if you guys want me to do a like series on this. It's been really hard, but whatever. That is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I really hope I see you guys next time. Bye!